Hello everyone, pour eggs into the vermicelli, and as soon as it's out of the pot, it turns into a delicious dish. Many people have never tried making it this way. Everyone who has tasted it can't stop praising it. First, let's prepare a handful of sweet potato vermicelli. Cut the vermicelli a bit shorter to make it easier to soak. Why does it take you so long to soak vermicelli at home, wasting a lot of time? Today, I'll share with you a quick tip for soaking vermicelli. After cutting, add a spoonful of salt and pour in freshly boiled hot water, just enough to cover the vermicelli. Cover with a lid and let it soak for 5 minutes. Prepare half a peeled carrot and slice it thinly. Then cut it into evenly thick strips. Once cut, place them on a plate for later use. Next, prepare a peeled potato and cut it into thick slices. Then cut them into thick julienne strips. After cutting, place them in clean water. Let them soak on the side to prevent oxidation and browning. Take a few scallions and chop them into scallion rings. Once chopped, place them on a plate for later use. At this point, our vermicelli has also finished soaking. It's especially soft and breaks easily with just a gentle touch. Why does the vermicelli soak so quickly? Because when soaking the vermicelli, we add boiling water and cover it with a lid, which works similarly to a pressure cooker. The pressure inside increases. This allows the vermicelli to absorb water quickly, so it softens much faster. Secondly, adding salt can also help the vermicelli soak and soften quickly. Bring water to a boil in a pot, add the vermicelli, and gently stir with chopsticks to ensure the vermicelli heats evenly. Cook the vermicelli until it's done. Once it floats to the surface, it's ready. Alright, pour it out and drain the water. Prepare 2 authentic hen eggs and crack them into a bowl. Use chopsticks to beat the eggs thoroughly. Then pour the beaten egg mixture into the vermicelli. Mix well so that the vermicelli is evenly coated with the egg mixture. Next, add the shredded potatoes into a large bowl. Add the shredded carrots as well. Pour in the vermicelli and egg mixture. Add the chopped green onions. Now season the mixture, add 1 spoonful of salt, 1 spoonful of chicken bouillon, and 1 spoonful of 13 spice powder or 5 spice powder. Stir well with chopsticks. Then add 2 spoonfuls of flour. Mix everything evenly. Stir until there is no dry flour left, and the mixture becomes thick and sticky like this. Preheat an electric griddle and brush it with oil. Pour in the mixed ingredients. Smooth it out evenly. Shape it into a flat round pancake. Sprinkle a layer of black and white sesame seeds on top to enhance the flavor and add calcium. Then cover with the lid and cook over medium-low heat for 3 minutes. When the time is up and one side is golden brown, flip it over. Cover again and cook for another 3 minutes. It's done! Open the lid. Wow, it smells amazing. Alright, take it out. Then carefully slice it into whatever desired shapes you like. A simple and delicious vermicelli egg pancake is ready. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, filled with vegetables and eggs. It's especially nutritious and makes a great breakfast. Kids especially love it. If you like it, save this recipe and give it a try.